Are you ready to supercharge your financial journey? Discover the 7 essential steps you must take with your money once that paycheck hits your account. Welcome back to Financeum. Forget the myth that tells you to believe having a budget is enough. I'm here to show you how to make it work for real wealth. Let's dive in. TNBC states, it's easy to understand why so many personal finance experts recommend budgeting. It's a simple solution to a complex issue. By understanding your monthly inflows and outflows of cash, you can identify where you're spending too much and cut down on those expenses. Or you may supplement your income with a side hustle. Budgeting is meant to force us to confront what we might not want to know, whether it's that we should have opted for a studio apartment instead of a one-bedroom, or that we just need a new job with higher pay. Here's some advice that will teach you how to adopt the mindset of a wealthy person.
Rich or becoming wealthy or becoming financially free is to use your paycheck and to use your income the right way. That way you can build your wealth first, but that requires you to know how to use your paycheck. This is where everybody says, oh, all you need to do is create a budget. Well, lots of Americans have a budget, but most of those people don't actually use their budget. There's a lot more to what you do with your money than just having a budget and keeping a budget.
That's right. It's not just about creating a budget. You must use and manage your money effectively and actively. Having a budget is a start, but putting it into action truly matters. Here are the 7 things you need to do with your money as soon as you get paid, allowing you to prioritize building your wealth. 1. Direct deposit your net income. The first step is straightforward. Arrange for your net income to be directly deposited into your checking account. Your net income is what you receive after taxes are deducted by the government when you get paid. Depending on your system, you can invest either before or after taxes. Direct deposit is crucial because it helps you avoid expensive alternatives like cashing checks, where you may lose some of your earnings to fees. It's also essential to steer clear of payday loans, which can have very high annual interest rates, often between 300% APR and 500% APR, making them a bad financial choice. To stay on top of your finances and avoid these financial traps, consider using a calendar to keep track of when you receive your income. This way, you can rely on your actual earnings and not turn to payday loans when facing short-term financial difficulties.
This money needs to be saved as soon as possible, because if you do not have $2,000 saved up for an emergency, you are in financial danger.
2. Save $2,000 fast. Our second step would be to save $2,000 as quickly as possible in a dedicated savings account. His fund is a safety net for unexpected expenses, like car breakdowns or emergencies. It's crucial to save this amount as soon as possible to ensure your financial security. The recommended emergency fund was $1,000 in the past, but now it's advisable to aim for at least $2,000 due to rising costs. Keep this money in a separate savings account for easy access when needed. Avoid using it for non-essential purchases, like the latest smartphone. If you still need to start, open a dedicated savings account and set aside a portion of your income after taxes and contributions until you reach the $2,000 goal. Remember that lacking an emergency fund puts your financial stability at risk.
And it is destroying your wealth. It is making your credit card company wealthy. It is making your hard money lender wealthy. It is making this payday loan company wealthy, but it is keeping you broke.
3. Pay down your high-interest debt. Now it's time for step number 3, addressing high-interest debts. After saving $2,000, it's time to tackle any debts with sky-high interest rates, like credit cards or payday loans. High-interest debt is a financial burden, with rates of 15% to 17% devouring your wealth. These payments mainly benefit lenders while limiting your financial freedom. Before aggressively paying down this debt, ensure you have that $2,000 cash safety net. Without it, unexpected expenses could push you back into debt. To avoid this, focus on building the $2,000 reserve while making minimum debt payments.
The debt snowball. And it's a real tough metaphor to grasp. You list your debts, smallest to largest. You pay minimum payments on everything but the little one. You attack the little one with a vengeance. Scorched earth lifestyle. Sell so much stuff the kids think they're next. Take 16 extra jobs. Name the dog eBay and put him there. Put the cat on Craigslist. We're getting out of debt. We're getting out of debt. And you pay everything. You stop all investing temporarily and completely focus all your emotional, spiritual, financial, relational energy on that smallest debt.
That's right. According to Dave Ramsey, the debt snowball method is a powerful strategy for conquering debt. It may sound like a tough metaphor to grasp, but it's incredibly effective. Here's how it works. You list your debts from smallest to largest and continue making minimum payments on them. However, you attack the smallest debt with a vengeance. This means adopting a scorched earth lifestyle, selling possessions, taking on extra jobs, and making significant sacrifices. During this process, you temporarily halt all other investments and focus all your emotional, spiritual, financial, and relational energy on that smallest debt. When it's paid off, you take the money you were using for it, along with any extra funds you can squeeze from your budget, and throw it at the next debt on your list. The snowball keeps rolling, picking up momentum as it goes. This method has helped countless individuals become debt-free in an average of 18 to 24 months, excluding their mortgage. It works, and it's proven incredibly effective for millions of people who have used it to regain control of their finances. The debt snowball isn't just a financial strategy, it's a life-changing approach that has empowered many to shout, "I'm debt-free," from the mountaintops.
You're going to take 15% of whatever's in there. So for every $100 you make, $15 is going to go into an investment account.
4. Invest 15% of your income. Now let's talk about step 4, investing 15% of your income. After you've saved up that crucial $2,000 in your savings account and eliminated any high-interest debts, it's time to focus on growing your wealth. Automated investment account. Set up an automated investment account. This can be done through your bank or a brokerage. Allocate 15% of your paycheck to be automatically transferred from your checking account to this investment account every time you get paid. This money should be invested to build your wealth over time. Make sure it's not easily accessible for impulsive spending. Different investment options. First, debt paydown. If you prefer lower risk options, consider paying down your remaining low-interest debts, such as your mortgage or student loans. By doing so, you're getting a guaranteed return equal to the interest rate you're paying. Second, education. Invest in yourself by using some of this money to buy books, attend classes, or participate in seminars. These investments can enhance your financial knowledge and decision-making abilities. Third, stock market or real estate. If you're looking for more aggressive options, you can invest directly in the stock market or explore real estate investments. Consider setting up automatic contributions to a brokerage account for stock market investments. Consider purchasing an investment property you can rent for real estate. Fourth, active investing. Alternatively, if you're inclined toward active investing, you can keep this money in a separate checking account and use it opportunistically when attractive investment opportunities arise. Ensure this account is distinct from your regular spending account to prevent accidental expenditures. The key here is discipline. By systematically investing a portion of your income, you're putting your money to work for your long-term financial growth. Whether you decide on a cautious or aggressive investment strategy, maintaining a dedicated account solely for wealth building will help you stay disciplined and avoid impulsive spending. 5. Continue saving 10% of your income. To do it consecutively, let's dive into step number 5, continuing to save money. Even as you allocate 15% of your income toward investments, it's equally important to prioritize building your savings further.
So if you make $100, $10 goes here because now you are going to automatically be saving money without even thinking about it, and you need this cushion to protect you from any sort of emergency that will happen. That way you can sleep easier knowing that if something bad were to happen, you don't have to go into debt because you have the savings cushion built.
Here are the 3 steps to continue saving 10% of your income. First step, automate savings. Have 10% of your paycheck automatically transferred to your savings account every time you get paid. This account is your financial safety net for emergencies, and expanding it beyond the initial $2,000 is crucial. Second step, set savings goals. Aim for a savings cushion covering 3 to 6 months of living expenses. For instance, if your monthly expenses are $3,000, target at least $9,000 in your savings account. Ambitious savers can aim for a year's worth of expenses, but be mindful of inflation's eroding savings value. Third step, establish an automated savings system. Set up a system where 10% of your income is automatically funneled into your dedicated savings account with each paycheck. For example, if you earn $100, $10 will go directly into savings. This automated process ensures consistent savings without active management. Your savings cushion is a financial safety net, offering peace of mind during unexpected emergencies. It prevents the need to accumulate debt when unforeseen expenses occur. Well, you're going to be investing this money at the same time. You will be putting this money away for your savings simultaneously. You're also going to be doing step 6. 6. Manage your expenses. Now, step 6 will teach you how to manage your expenses. This step requires you to balance your needs and wants as you spend your income.
You need to know the difference between a need and a want when it comes to spending your money. This is going to sound like common sense, but as we all know, common sense isn't very common. When it comes to the spending money, you want to make sure you spend your money on needs before you spend your money on wants.
Here's how to manage your expenses effectively. First, your net pay. After taxes, contributions, saving, and investing, you have 75% of your net income in your checking account for daily expenses. Second, needs versus wants. Differentiate between essentials, needs, like housing and food, and non-essentials, wants, like luxuries or impulsive purchases. Third, prioritize needs. Focus on fulfilling your needs, such as rent, groceries, and utilities, before spending on wants. Fourth, beware of lifestyle creep. Don't turn wants into perceived needs due to lifestyle inflation. Stick to genuine needs. Fifth, 24-hour rule. Prevent impulsive spending by waiting 24 hours before non-essential purchases. This gives you time to consider if it aligns with your priorities. Sixth, trim unnecessary expenses. Save by making simple changes like brewing your coffee or cooking at home instead of dining out. Redirect these savings towards meaningful goals like saving and investing. Following these principles and practicing financial discipline ensure that your spending supports your financial objectives. Prioritizing needs, being mindful of expenses, and making informed choices will maintain your financial stability and aid in wealth building. 7. Buy your time back. Lastly, it's time for step 7 to buy your time back.
And now, as you're building your wealth, start to use your money to buy your time back. That way you have the time to do more of the things that you love.
Ultimately, your financial success is not solely about accumulating wealth, but also about enjoying the time you have in life. Finding ways to leverage your financial freedom to enhance your overall quality of life is essential. Here's how to do it. First, balancing wealth and time. While we focused on building a robust financial system until now, it's equally vital to consider how to use your wealth to enjoy life fully. As you build wealth and manage your finances, remember that time is a limited resource. Therefore, it's crucial to use your time wisely. Second, identify time-consuming tasks. Start by identifying the tasks or activities you dislike or wish you didn't have to do. These could include cooking, cleaning, or grocery shopping. Recognize that many of these tasks can be outsourced or delegated to others. Third, outsourcing tasks. Consider hiring help for the activities you'd instead not do. If, for instance, you earn $20 an hour and you can hire someone to clean your house for $10 an hour, it's financially sensible to delegate this task. This frees up your time and also allows you to focus on activities you enjoy or more financially productive. Fourth, earning more money. On the flip side, you can also strategize to shorten the time needed to reach your financial goals. This can be achieved by boosting your income. You can explore various avenues to earn more money, such as seeking a promotion, starting a side business, or pursuing new opportunities. Fifth, maximizing your money. To make the most of your financial journey, it's essential to have a clear understanding of how your money is allocated. This way, you can optimize your investments and savings to achieve your financial goals more efficiently. Remember, life is a delicate balance between wealth and time. It's about using your financial resources to improve your quality of life and achieve your goals while being mindful of your limited time. By strategically reclaiming your time and maximizing your earnings, you can enjoy the fruits of your financial success while accelerating your journey toward financial independence. What do you think about this topic? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Soon channel. I'll see you in the next video.